Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a totally different video for you all. So if you guys are looking for a really good and easy soup recipe, something that's affordable, good for your body, and also good when you're in a time crunch, then you've come to the right channel and you've come to the right recipe. If you guys like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. If you tap the bell button, you will get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. So I have laid out all of the ingredients for the soup except for peppers, bell peppers that I have still in my fridge, and I also do have an onion as well. But right here we have the black beans, six bean blend. We have some peas, we've got our vegetable stock, whole mushrooms, we have just blended tomatoes, we got our seasoning salt, and we have our Italiano mix right there. And I just put 5 cups of water into my pot and 5 teaspoons of this vegetable stock into my pot of water. I actually forgot to mention that I'm also going to be adding in these Italian veggie ground round, and it is vegan. Okay guys, so I have washed this pepper and I like to just cut it right in half. That way it's super easy when I'm taking the seeds out and I just can easily get all this gunk that I don't want in my soup out easily without having to fiddle around too much. And I'm just pulling out the white parts of the pepper so that it looks nice and clean like this. And just doing that to the other side as well. And it's nice and ready for cutting. I cut it in little thin strips. They just look like this on the cutting board, and I am then going to be making cuts like so. And I'm cutting it pretty small just so that there isn't like super big chunks of this pepper in my soup. I don't need to have it super small, but I just want it like about this type of size. And then I'm going to be moving on to this pepper and doing the same thing we just did. So we now have like a really good amount of peppers ready for our soup. So we're just going to put that into our broth right away. Okay, so our peppers are now sitting in the broth and they're on medium heat. And we're just going to be going to cut this onion and just cutting the ends off. And then I like to put little slits throughout the onion so that I can get that peel off easily. And I'm just going to be throwing this in the garbage. Okay, so we now have our onion peeled and our garbage is gone. And we're just going to cut our onion in half. Then what we're going to do is we're going to lay our onion flat. And it's going to be laying this way towards you. And then we're just going to be making parts kind of like we did with the peppers. Just kind of making this. Are all chopped up and they are ready to go into our broth, which is just right over here, and it has our peppers in it. Okay guys, so our onions are officially in the broth and they are cooking with the peppers on a medium heat, and it's smelling really yummy in here. This is going to give the soup a lot of flavor, and I'm going to be going and opening my black beans with my can opener and adding these to the soup. Okay, so the black beans are open and I'm just going to be pouring them into my strainer, and I'm going to be, sorry, not strainer, colander, and I'm going to be washing off the syrupy liquid that it comes in. That's not really anything that you want in the soup, so you can just rinse them out. until that liquid that's just going into the soup goes down the drain. It's pretty gross. I wouldn't suggest adding that into the soup mix. So I think that they should be ready now. I'm just going to be giving them a good shake so that liquid isn't drip all over my floor. And I'm just going to be adding them into the pot of broth. And I'll just give that a little mix. And I'm now going to be opening up my 6 blend of beans. Guys, I have rinsed the bean blend like I did with the black beans, and they're ready to get poured into our broth mixture. And they are going to get a quick stir. Just kind of making sure those flavors are all mixing nicely together. So I just opened this can of peas, and I didn't have to rinse it. There's nothing like sticky or syrupy on these peas. They're just kind of like in a light water in the can. So we're just gonna pour these now into the broth as well. Our broth is looking really good. Now I'm going to be taking this whole can of mushrooms. So I'm going to just be taking the can and dumping it into the colander vegetables and just kind of chopping this up a little bit. You don't have to cut them perfectly or anything, just kind of chop them up so they're not the same, like they're not in the form that they're in. And I lost one. Woo, I lost it. Oops. This is a little bit trickier because they're so slippery. Okay, so we're now taking our crushed tomatoes and we're going to be taking 2 tablespoons of this crushed tomatoes. Okay, so we're now going to be taking our spoon and just mixing this tomato, the crushed tomatoes into the broth. So yummy. I think we're going to go ahead and add maybe 2 more. A total of 4 tablespoons I've added right now. And I had an idea about adding a potato, so I'm going to be doing that. So I'm just going to be taking this red potato and kind of getting rid of any of these weird little eyes going on here. I'm not really peeling the potato, but just anywhere where it's looking a little like it needs a little bit of help. And so that's good enough. Now I'm just going to be cutting this into little pieces. Like you see right now, it comes in a very thick kind of a block. So I'm just going to be taking this and crumbling it into the pot. Okay, so I just crumbled the ground round vegan meat into this soup, and I'm just going to be giving it a good stir, making sure that all of the lovely ingredients get blended in really nicely. This soup is going to be so amazing. I am really excited to try it. It can be really easy or as difficult as you want to. You don't have to add the potatoes. You don't have to add the ground vegan round. It could just stop at, you know, everything else before that. But I wanted to make this soup a little bit more heartier, as it's going to be the meal for my kids as well. And I am going to be adding in the seasoning salt. I'm just kind of going crazy with that. Giving it a good stir. Adding some of the Italian seasoning as well. I hate when it's like not pouring out properly because it's so full and it's just like stopping after you pour it once. So I'm now just gonna be letting it simmer and really cook up that amazing flavor. I'm gonna put a lid on it so that it can really just sit and develop. Thank you so much for watching the best vegan soup recipe. Thank you for clicking on this video. Please subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it and if you think the soup looks good. I'm going to be letting it sit for the day and it's going to be amazing this evening. Thanks for watching.